Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. Hi guys, I'm going to do a post review on this canvas that I did for drills and chills, but first I just kind of wanted to give you an update because people have been asking and people have been reaching out to check on me, and so I kind of wanted to give you a somewhat of an explanation of why I kind of went MIA for the last couple weeks. So I'm going to try to do this without bawling my head off so you guys can understand. Anyhow, in the last few weeks we realized our oldest dog was not doing so well, and a couple days ago we had to make the choice to say goodbye, and it was really hard. So that's where I've been, and that's why I haven't been here, but I promise I'm gonna get back. It may take me a week or so to get back into the groove of things and to get some videos out, and I really appreciate all you guys, your concerns, and you know, you're reaching out just to see how I'm doing. So I just wanted to say I really appreciate that. I wanted you guys to know where I've been and why I've kind of been missing. So anyhow, so let's go back onto this. So I started this on September 1st for drills and chills, and obviously I didn't finish it by Halloween because other things kind of, you know, obviously came up and they were more important. And I did finally finish this a couple days ago, and it is beautiful. I'm so happy with it. I love how it came out. It was just absolutely a complete pleasure to work on from the first drill I placed to the very last. The colors are amazing. My alarm's going off, of course. The colors are amazing. They just came out beautiful. I did make a lot of changes, and I don't want to say a lot, but I did make quite a few changes. So I'm going to show you everything that I changed. And obviously this is Here Comes the Bride from Diamond Art Club by Mandy Manzano. And I don't know if you guys can see, we're getting rain today. It's the first day that it's under like 80, 90 degrees, what it's been, and it is raining, so it's cloudy, so I don't have a lot of good natural light, and my lights in my craft room are not absolutely the greatest, so anyhow, long story short, the lighting isn't the best right now, but she's beautiful. I mean, just beautiful. So first of all, I have a lot of drills left. I had more than enough to complete the canvas on every single solitary color I have. Everything is just more than enough. Plus I still have an entire bag of 310s, and I even made a mistake during this, and I mixed my not an entire thing, but a huge thing of 310s and 939s together. And so I even have those, and I didn't want to go through and pick them all out if I didn't have to. So I just kind of left them there to see what would happen. And this is literally all my trash from this entire canvas. I mean, that's it. It was amazing. So easy, perfect drills, not any issues at all with the canvas or the drills. So anyhow, I'm going to move on to the changes I made, and this is how I did it just so I could keep my everything straight. So like for instance, where is my case? So K, instead of having that, I labeled this K because this is what I wanted to use. So I mean, even though I still had this, I put this so that way I could look at that. So for all the K's, which was $5.97, I changed it to Sparklers $5.97, and then for the 3865s, I put the Opal Pearl Sparklers in there instead. And these I kind of scattered a few in in like her arm area, like the bone area of her arm and stuff, but I didn't necessarily switch out anything in particular for the whole thing. I did change her face, a lot of her face with that. And then right here is the arrow, which was 155, and it's 155 in sparklers. For the X's, which are, I don't even see them. I know it's probably right in front of my face and I'm completely looking. Okay. So it was 3841. I used Sky, which was very close. And then for H's, which are the 340s, I used 340 Blue Violet. So it was kind of pretty simple how I decided to go about switching them out, and then I kind of just did it as I went through. And I'm super duper happy with how it came out. So you can see a lot of these sparklers are in here. You could see them throughout. I changed her eyeshadows completely to sparklers and to a few blue ABs from Diamond Paint with Sparklers. I used fairy dust in her lips to give her extra bling. You can see them all through here. So and then I completely changed the main flower in her bouquet. So all through there. So that's kind of what I did, and that's how I got to this point. And like I said, I finished it a few days ago, and I want to get it framed and I want to get it put up and do all that. So I can just look at it because I think it's really pretty. I love how it came out. I love all the teals and the blues, and I love how the dark and the light contrast off each other. It just makes it look really good. I wasn't nervous when I started it because I know I've seen pictures and it's just a gorgeous canvas anyways. But sometimes you get started, and I did the entire border and then I did her last, and I started from the bottom of her dress all the way up. Her face was the last thing I worked on just because I wanted to do something different, and I wanted to save her face for last. I wanted to do that last so I can kind of, you know, work through the dark parts of the canvas, because I was afraid I was gonna get, I don't want to say bored, but I was a little afraid I was gonna get bored because of so many dark colors. But I will tell you, I didn't, because these colors pop so well and they come out so nice. And even up here, like in these really dark parts of the canvas, I don't know if you can see that really good on the camera, but you can see all the different colors that make it up, and it just, with all the scrolling and everything, it just came out gorgeous. So yes, I am 100% pleased with how this canvas came out. I love it. It's absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to get it up on a wall because, ooh, look at, I'm missing a couple right here. See what happens when trying to get things done. So I guess I'm not completed. I'm missing 3 drills. I'll have to put those in anyhow. I just love it. It came out perfect. I really appreciate you guys reaching out to me, and I really appreciate your patience and your kindness. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified when I post more videos. And I will still be doing a giveaway because I know I hit my 300 subscribers. I just need a little bit, maybe, you know, like within this next week or so, to kind of get my feet back on the ground a little bit and to kind of get back to normal. And then I will be posting a video about that soon. So as always, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Thanks guys. Bye.